Read between the lines why investors don't write checks to fund your deals. Hey guys, this is KP again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 key reasons why investors don't invest their funds with you. Number 1 is lack of knowledge on the investor's part. The investor just doesn't have enough knowledge to make a decision if this is a good opportunity for them or not, to really understand the strategy of investing you're proposing or the market you're proposing. Solution is very simple. You just have to educate them. It might take time. Give them value so over time they get that knowledge to make that decision of yes or no. Reason number 2, this is a big one, is fear of losing money. If you are in the world of real estate, you understand risk and return and you're doing that thing day and night. But for a passive investor, in their mind, they might be thinking, what if something happens with the market? Or what if, vacancy drops? Whatever the particular context is for your deal. But they have the fear of losing the investment. So you have to again educate them about the risk so they could make a well-informed decision. Number 3, trust and expertise. The investor just doesn't trust you. Maybe your relationship is not long yet. Maybe you haven't built that trust and rapport that's required. So even if you present somebody with the perfect opportunity with great returns and great market and great team, the investor needs to feel that they could trust you, and they also need to know that you are an expert at what you are doing in your particular niche of real estate. So that's very important, and hence you need to have a systematic approach to deliver value, educate them, and communicate with them so they build that trust and authority, expertise that's needed before they invest with you. And number 4, non-alignment. So sometimes for whatever reason, the deal you have is just not in line with what their goals are in terms of liquidity or market or strategy, and that's perfectly fine. So these 4 reasons, just knowing that in the back of your mind would help you as you grow your investor database. You can get yourself familiar with those reasons and they'll be very helpful. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I know you're getting some valuable information. Your support is invaluable for me to continue to put more awesome content out there to help you take your business and life to the next level. So if you could please subscribe to the channel, like the video, appreciate it much. See you in the next video.